Hello everyone, welcome back again. In last lecture, we have discussed what is SOP and POS form of the terms. In today's lecture, we'll discuss about standard SOP form, standard POS form. Then we'll discuss how to convert SOP expressions into the standard SOP if each term in SOP form contains all the literals. Then the SOP is known as standard SOP or the canonical SOP form. Canonical or the standard form. Similarly, if each term in POS form contains all the literals, then the POS is known as standard or canonical POS form. If each term SOP or in POS contains all the literals, then the SOP or POS is called as standard or canonical SOP or POS. Each individual term in standard SOP is called as standard SOP. Individual term is called as mean term, and each individual term in standard POS is called as max term. Mean terms are represented by small letter m and max terms are represented by the capital letter M. Now let's take the standard SOP. Now assume the Boolean function f is described by the expression ABC plus A bar B bar C plus A B bar C. In this expression, each product term contains all the literals. The Boolean function f with a 3 variable is given in this example, and each product term has all the literals either in a complemented or uncomplemented form. So such type of expressions, you can say that these are the standard SOP expression. Similarly, the POS expression A plus B plus C, P bar plus A bar plus C. Each sum term contains all the literals. So such type of expressions are in the standard, the canonical form. If one of the literal is missing in either a sum term or product term, then the SOP and POS expression are not in the standard form, and we need to convert the expressions in the standard form to perform some other operations. Now let's see how to convert the SOP expressions into the standard SOP or the canonical form. To convert the SOP expressions into the standard form, we are going to perform certain steps. The first step we are going to perform is find the missing literal in each product term. Find the missing literal in each product term. Second step, and the product term having missing literal with the term which is formed by the OR operation of missing literal and its complement. Third step, expand the terms and reorder the literals. Expand the terms and reorder the literals. And fourth step, omit the repeated product terms. Let's see one example. The Boolean function with the three variables f of ABC is given as AB plus BC. In this example, the first product term AB is not containing all literals. C is missing. In second product term, all literals are not present and the literal A is missing. Means this SOP expression is not in the standard SOP form. And to convert this SOP expression into the standard SOP form, we have to follow the 4 steps. Now by applying the first step, find the missing literals. In the first product term, variable C is missing. In second term, variable A is missing. These are the missing literals. Second step, perform the AND operation. The first product term AB is ANDed together the term which is formed by the missing literal and its complements OR operation. Now AB product term is having a missing literal C and is ANDed together. The term is formed by the missing literal C and its complements OR operation. Similarly, this is my first term. Similarly, the second product term BC is missing the literal A and it is ANDed together the term which is formed by the OR operation of the missing literal and its complement. Third step, expand the terms. This is AND operation. The third one is expand and reorder. In expand operation, by applying the distributive laws, expand the expression. AB is first multiplied with a C. ABC plus AB is multiplied with a AB plus BC is first multiplied with a BCA. Then BC is multiplied with a bar plus BC A bar. After expand operation, reorder the literals. The order is ABC, so reorder the literals. ABC plus ABC bar plus ABC plus A bar. After performing the third step, now omit the repeated product terms if any into the expression. In this expression, ABC is repeated. The product term ABC is repeating. So we are omitting this to 1. ABC plus ABC bar is not repeating. and A bar BC is also not repeating. So I am writing the product terms ABC bar plus A bar BC. Now after performing all these 4 steps, now my expression is containing all the literals in each product term. ABC, ABC, ABC and so on. And this expression is into the standard or the canonical form. Thank you all of you. In next lecture, we'll see how to convert the POS expression into the standard or canonical form.